Hello, I'm Courtney.
Hi, I'm Dana. We're the Egg Sisters. We are cosplayers known for making creature-type costumes.
Today we're going to talk to you about 3 tips for 3 of our favorite Dremel Rotary tool bits.
This bit is the easy sanding drum mandrel. It replaces the standard drum mandrel that comes with your Dremel. Traditionally, when your sandpaper gets clogged, you have to use the screwdriver, unscrew the bolt to change the sandpaper. This eliminates that. It slides open and you can replace the sandpaper on the go without having to screw anything in, which makes it excellent for when you're in the middle of a sanding project and you go through endless amounts of sandpaper.
It's also great for needing to switch grits constantly in the middle of your project. This is the 107 engraving bit. You can find it in the Dremel carving and engraving kit. We like to use it for etching designs and textures into plastics. To prevent melting, keep your RPM low and your pressure light. We like this bit because it doesn't cut too deep and gives enough texture on the surface to give a frosted look. This makes the plastic perfect for diffusing light over large areas or a small design. The engraving bit isn't only limited to plastics. Try it out on a piece of EVA foam to see what creative textures you can make. Perhaps some scales.
This bit is called the felt polishing wheel. It comes in 2 sizes. This is the smaller of the 2.
The tip for using this bit is keeping it at a 5,000 RPM and using a dab of polish. Polishing adds high shine to your gems and resin pieces. This will also work great on buffing up cold casted projects. You can also use this bit to repair unwanted scratches and imperfections. We hope these tips will be useful to you on future projects. Stay tuned for more helpful videos.